Okay, so dark mode on Windows. Most of us would agree it's pretty great. I mean, you just dive into your settings and turn it on. And especially now that even Explorer and apps like Word and Excel, does Excel support it? Anyway, even apps like Word now support it. It's pretty great, right? It's easy on the eyes when you're doing your work at night and all that good stuff. But if you're like me, you don't want dark mode on all the time. I mean, during the day, you kind of struggle to see what's on your screen, especially if you have a glossy screen that reflects all sorts of light. So you're going to be squinting all day to see your screen. Normally, this isn't a big deal. You could just dive right into settings and choose your color from light to dark to light, and you're good. But doing this all the time is a bit cumbersome, and if you're like me, you want it on from dusk to dawn and then off during the day. Doing that every evening and morning adds to my routine, and I frankly don't feel like doing that. What if there was a way of automating that? Well, luckily someone smarter than me already thought of that, and they created a program called Auto Dark Mode. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it set up and get it working for you flawlessly. Alright, so if you Google Auto Dark Mode and you choose the first link, which is the GitHub link, if you do a bit of digging, you'll find the executable file. This is more for programmers who want to add to this project and maybe make their own version of it. But if you're just a user, there's a click here to download and install link. You click that and it will take you to the releases page, and if you scroll a bit, you'll find the Auto Dark Mode setup.exe. I will link it in the description below, right below that subscribe button. But once you have it downloaded and installed, this is what it will look like. So you have a few options here. Let's go through them one by one. You have the time, which is how you set your timing for it to be on and to automatically switch between themes for you, because that's how it works. It switches from light to dark theme for you automatically. Then you have the apps. It will also choose which apps that it wants to adapt for you. Then you have your wallpaper and theme. Now this is where you're going to set, and then you also have your settings for other stuff. Maybe you want to do a bit more tweaking. Okay, so right out of the gate, all you need to do to get this to work for you is you just enable theme switching, set custom hours, or choose the from sunset to sunrise, and it will choose basing on your location when to switch. I have mine set from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. so that's the time when dark mode will be on, and all I have to do is click apply, and there you go. As you can see, it's the middle of the day, so actually it's morning, but it's daytime right now, and because of that, it has switched from dark to light mode for me. That's pretty much it. But the worst thing, the absolute worst thing, is having your dark mode turned on and then you navigating to your desktop only to find this bright, beautiful wallpaper that you thought was good but now is blinding you at night. How can you go about fixing that? Well, we've seen people on Mac OS Catalina. They had two versions of the same background, one for day, one for night, and this app actually allows you to do that. So if you dive into the settings and go to wallpaper and theme, just leave it on the desktop recommended, and then you just click configure desktop background. So you can just pick a file. I am very creatively going to use the picture of Catalina Island. So I'm going to choose the one for day, and I'll go back and choose the one for night. Once that's done, you just click save, and boom. See? Daytime Catalina Island. Nice. But what if, like me, you have a whole bunch of pictures that you like to go through a slideshow? Just freshen up your background every now and again. Well, this app also does that for you. So instead of using desktop wallpaper, which is the recommended one, the quick and easy one, you can choose Windows theme, and that will allow you to do a bit more customization. So how this works is, first you need to set up your themes. So I'm going to go into my settings, and I'm just going to set up a theme here. So currently we have the color set to light and the background is Catalina Island, just like you normally do. Okay, so to do that, I'll dive right into settings, and I'll first change my background from a picture to a slideshow. Now I'm going to do the light theme first, so I'm going to choose a folder I called light backdrops. That's why I put all my wallpapers that are bright and put that there. And it doesn't have to be just bright. Maybe you have some darker pictures that you like and you want to keep them in there as well. What you really want is to eliminate the bright ones when it's nighttime. So I'll just choose that folder. I'll leave it on 30 minutes. That seems reasonable. Then I will go to themes and I will click save theme. So notice that I have a background as a slideshow with 3 images currently, and everything else is on the default. I'll just click save theme. So I'm going to give this a name of Windows Day and save. That's saved. Now I'm going to dive back into my background and switch it up. I'm going to change it from light backdrops to dark backdrops. I'll choose that. I'll go to my colors and switch that from light to dark. Now this is dark. This is for the dark theme. And when that's done, I'll just come to themes, and again I will save theme. So I'm going to call this Windows Night. Done. Now that I have both themes set up, all I have to do is go back to the Auto Dark Mode app and choose the themes. So I'm going to pick Windows Day for my light theme, and I'm going to pick Windows Night for my dark theme, and then I'm going to click save. As that saves, because it's day again, it's going to switch automatically to my day theme. And as you can see, here's a picture for my day theme. If I were to switch to night, it'll all work. It'll go through my slideshow as normal. So there it is, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, consider subscribing for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.